you're hitting that frustrating Mojo Launcher failed to start the main class on older versions error, and we're going to fix it right now, no excuses. This critical startup failure often stems from corrupted temporary files or an outdated Java environment, preventing the launcher from executing its core processes. If clearing the cache and verifying your launcher files didn't do the trick, the problem might be deeper within your system's Java runtime environment, which is exactly where Method 2 dives in. We'll ensure you have the latest, most compatible Java version installed, as this is a frequent culprit for older application failures. Should that still not resolve the Mojo Launcher fail to start main class issue, we need to look at how your system is interacting with the launcher, and that leads us directly to Method 3, focusing on administrator privileges and compatibility settings. Sometimes the launcher simply doesn't have the necessary permissions to run correctly, so forcing it to run as an administrator can unlock hidden access. If none of those steps restore functionality, the final step, Method 4, will guide you through updating your graphics drivers, as outdated or corrupt display drivers can interfere with application initialization, especially on older versions of software like this.